All right, my kiddo is hogging my computer right now, playing some video games. I'm waiting for the laundry to get done. I'm trying to remember all the stuff that's here. I don't even remember all the stuff here. So this is all the stuff that I've bought since the summer. And I've worn a few things, given away a few things, but I have a pile here. Let's kind of go through them. All right, I actually have worn these because I do have the jacket right here. I got both of them for such a great steal. Only problem is I don't really have any room in the ones area over there. God dang it. Running out of room. Got some Jordan 38s. Got these for $39. Good Lord. Holy cow. This has been my go-to basketball shoe. Been worn quite a bit. Probably worn down because I do play outdoors. Comfy as hell. One of the most comfortable basketball shoes. I think I've worn these. Yeah, the Hyper Dunks. I grabbed these for 20 something dollars, like 28 bucks or something like that. Well, remember when these first came out, they have React, so everybody was like, oh, they're so comfortable. Cushioning's not that great. They're not that great. It was 45. I did get an extra 40 off. I believe these are the LeBron 21s that I have not worn yet. $48, got 40 off. I think I paid like 40 something dollars. It was in the low 40s, maybe $42 for those. I got one of these that I totally forgot that I even bought. Holy cow, I already had one. And I had someone help me get another. I didn't even know I had one. Paid $42 for that one. 10 and a half of the Curry, these the Curry 11s, right? Curry 10s. These are the Curry 10s right here. These are $43. Air more of Tempos. These are crazy cheap. $31 before the tax. I believe these are the Air Max Bacons. Air Max 90 Bacons. Yeah, I believe I paid, what, 70? Came with the full box, everything. Material on these are just ridiculous. I believe these are some Nike SB Dunks. SB Dunks, and I think these are the orange label from Ruckus. Only available in the orange label stores. Pretty freaking dope. It's all white and then got that tiny hint of orange. They did release an all black version of that after, and I was not able to make my way to the skate shops. It's kind of sad about that. Got my slightly imperfect GT Jump 2s. Holy cow, these are so freaking comfortable. These might have better cushioning than the Jordan 38s that I have. Yeah, I grabbed these for hella cheap, $90. Did get 40 off. So that's $54. $54, that was in November. What the hell were these? Did I buy this from Nike? Did I just get a bunch of dust on my chair? Or did I get a bunch of dust on my bed? What were these? Oh, I forgot. I grabbed these. I grabbed these for what, $24? It was $40. Got an extra 40% off. It was 24 bucks. And this was at Nike Watts Community Store. That was freaking dope. And some of y'all ain't gonna believe me. It was $28, my bad. $28. Holy cow, that was crazy. I forgot about that. That was from September. If y'all missed this video, y'all ain't even gonna believe this. Did get the Fear 3s. This was from the Foot Locker outlet. Forgot all the hits of orange. Really make it pop. Oh, I didn't get a receipt with that. Did get this at the Foot Locker outlet. Grabbed them for $75. 75 bucks. It was $150 and then 50 off. Still got a few more. I don't even know what the hell this is. Oh, I think this is the shoe that I did get. Yeah, I got this for a kiddo. It is my size. Zoom separates. Did get this for $35, another 25 off. I promised him I'd give it to him if he could go to school for 2-3 weeks. Wasn't able to go to school 2-3 weeks, so he didn't get it. So I guess I had to keep it. I gotta keep it. This was in October. Alpha Fly Next Percent 2s. I was trying to do a size swap. Was not able to find anybody willing to do a size swap. They made a mistake on these. Stole them for $48. Just stole them for 48 bucks, $80. Got an extra 40% off. That's one of the oldest ones. This came in February. Got a few more down here. Damn, I forgot I bought these. This is my kid's favorite pair of sneakers right now. He just wears his everywhere. I told you guys, I totally forgot I even had these. So obviously I haven't even worn them. This is my kiddo's pair. Totally cooked. I might do a cleaning video because I've never cleaned suede shoes. So maybe I might have to do a cleaning video. He wears this pretty much every day, dude. He has 4 Nike SB Dunks, and he wears this one almost every day. I don't know why. But yeah, that's after 150 wears. These were in August. What state did I buy this in? I bought this in a different state. Is this from? Where was this from? Oh yeah, this was in Milpitas, which is Northern California. Yeah, $20 Asics. This was in August. $20 Asics Gel i3s. These are a 9.5, but they fit, kinda fit here and there. Got a pair of these. This is not my size, but did get one of these. This is a 6.5. I know someone who doubled up. She was able to hit on 2 sizes, so she did give me one, because I've given her plenty of shoes in the past. But yeah, she gave me an extra pair. So she was hoping that I could do a size swap or something, but I haven't been able to find anybody to do a size swap with. So they've been hanging out here. We'll see. Maybe I could do a size swap in the future. I don't know. We'll see what I can do with that one. Definitely appreciate you for that. And then what's this right here? I don't remember. I know it's one of the Ma Manieres, but I don't remember which one. Look at the box on it, man. That is dope. Oh my goodness, look at this. What a luxurious experience. Oh my goodness. And these are the Ma Maniere 3s. I forgot the name of this one. But yeah, this is their second version of the Ma Maniere 3s. Man, now I'm kind of regretting. I've missed a couple of them. I got both the 12s. I don't have the 5s. They have 2 5s, and then I think they released the 4s. I think I skipped the second generation of 4s as well. Or no, that one's not out yet, right? I don't know. But yeah, these are dope. Super luxurious. I meant to do a video comparing this one to the other 3, but been busy, man. Life's been crazy. Then I might have bought a few of the black cement 3s. So not including double up, that's what, 16 pairs. That's since the summer. 16 pairs, and I grabbed the Invincible Run Flyknits. I grabbed 2 pair of those, gave those away. I grabbed 5-6 pairs for my workers. Grabbed a couple for kids. Yeah, I guess I bought quite a few pair of shoes this year, huh? But one of my goals this year was to get you guys a collection video. That's pretty much all the Jordans. I see a pair of Grant Hills. Those aren't Jordans. But yeah, for the most part, most of the Jordans. I think I got some Kobe's, and then I got some LeBrons on the bottom. And then this is kind of everything else. I've been meaning to make a collection video, like I said, but I haven't been able to, man. Hopefully I can make one for you guys first thing in January, because I might need to get rid of some of my stuff. So we'll see. All right, so this video was a little different, and that's because I lost all kinds of footage. This year. I've never done that since I've started my YouTube channel. I have every video that I've ever made, but yeah, I kind of wrote over one of my hard drives. Fortunately, all of them are online. I just didn't have the time to go through every one of my videos to see what the hell I had. Usually I keep track of everything that I bought, so I can get you guys a video at the end of the year talking about the best deals that I've gotten, the best, the craziest finds, that type of stuff. And we're not getting that because I lost a ton of footage. So my bad, you guys. It happens. It is what it is, man. Life goes on. Hope you guys enjoyed the videos this year. Hope you guys enjoyed the content. Trying to get you guys a video every day. That's my goal. I'm gonna try to adhere to that this year. We'll see what happens, but hope you guys had a great 2024. Hope you guys have a better 2025, and hope you guys stay tuned. Got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.